feel like my house has not been this quiet in a while. Adeline is napping, Rob's at work, and my older three asked to go to Grandpa's, so it's like completely silent in here, and I'm going to try to get as much done as I can while Adeline is taking her nap. So welcome back to day 4 of my 30-day spring cleaning challenge. If you're just tuning in on day 4 here, I asked AI to create a 30-day realistic spring cleaning schedule for me for 30 days in a row. So I'm posting a video every single day throughout the month of April to not only get my spring cleaning done, but also motivate you to get yours done too. Like I said, this is day 4. However, today was supposed to be, yes, I printed it out because it helps me stay focused, and I always like carry it around the house just to see where I'm at and make sure I'm kind of on track here. But I did fall a little bit behind already in the kitchen. I guess maybe not behind. I think I underestimated how long it was going to take me here in the kitchen. Today was supposed to be mudroom day, but I'm going to make it unfinished task day. I had this scheduled for day 29, and I may be making a mistake by moving my unfinished task day to day 4 already, but we'll just make adjustments as needed. Still mostly following this spring cleaning schedule. I just love how it breaks it down from decluttering to cleaning, deep cleaning, and organizing. It just really helps me out here. AI did a great job generating that schedule for me. I also put in all of the details of my home, so it had all of the information it needed to make an accurate schedule. I've also been keeping a list here of any tasks left unfinished or anything that I feel like I need to add to it. So in the kitchen here, I have one window. I want to do the window, the light fixtures, the baseboards. I did not declutter or organize my silverware or plastic bag drawer because I got new organizers for them. So when I do that, I want to reorganize them in the new organizers. And then I have one more box from Caraway that I would like to unbox today. Let's make this a quick one because the last few days have been pretty long, between 2 and 3 hours. I would like to keep today's spring cleaning around an hour so I can get it done while Adeline naps. Without further ado, let's do this. The first thing on my list is my kitchen window. We're just gonna start there and work our way down the list. Next on the list is my pendants. They're pretty new, but they still need to be dusted. I cannot remember where I saw this or who I saw using it, but I was definitely influenced to buy it. It's a My Life Unit mesh screen cleaner. You're supposed to just be able to rub it down your screen and it cleans your screens. Being that we have a second story, I don't want to take like all the screens out of the window and wash them individually. So I thought this would be a great option. It says, pay attention to the direction of the wind. Wet your window screen before using the cleaner. I'm hoping I can just get the cleaner wet and use it that way instead. Please don't use it too hard in case of damaging the screen mesh. Grip the end part of the handle to wiggle it out. The cleaning brush set can be easily disassembled. So obviously I've never used it before, but like I said, I was influenced to buy it, so I'm interested to see if it works. It's kind of hard to see, but it has very short, kind of coarse brush bristles, and it's supposed to like grip the screen kind of and clean it. Let's try it. Not to be dramatic, but this thing is amazing and really cool. When you're rubbing it up and down and side to side on the screen, you can see the water spraying out of the screen. It's like misting out of it, and you can see it working in action, and I can tell that it works really well. My screen is super clean. You could see the dirt on this thing when I was done. It's dripping a little bit because I just rinsed it off, but I would recommend this. I think it's super cool and works really good. After the window and the pendants, I'm going to move to the baseboards only in the kitchen, since the kitchen is our focus right now. I know my floors are dirty. If you can see that from there, they are very dirty and definitely need to be mopped right now, but I don't consider floor cleaning spring cleaning because I already do it on a regular basis anyway. So when I'm doing my room to room spring cleaning, I won't be doing any of the floors. I have a whole day dedicated to upstairs and downstairs floor cleaning specifically. I think this goes without being said, but I will of course clean the floors between now and the floor cleaning day, just in my regular daily routine. I just don't think it needs to be included in every single room that I clean and then again have its own day. Adeline's walking around, pushing stuff around, banging on things and playing, so I'm just gonna let her do her little thing while we organize these two drawers right here. As I mentioned, I got some new organizers for my silverware drawer and my plastic bag drawer. I think this one's for that drawer, but we're gonna go ahead and open these and do that quick declutter and organize of those two drawers. It looks like you can hang them on a wall if you want. That's pretty cool. I'm just gonna stick mine in my drawer. Hopefully these fit. They look a little, okay, this one is separate and smaller, so hopefully they all fit. I love that they have these little things right here for cutting foil or saran wrap. What's the other one? What do I have in there? Parchment paper. So that's cool. I don't think I have any saran wrap right now, so one of these is going to be empty. Very nice. I'm going to go ahead and empty this drawer, and comes with a little hardware pack. Get these in there and organized and decluttered. It's not fitting. have like mushy graham cracker all over my shirt. Anyway, this is my second to last Caraway package. The last one is in the mail right now. It's the kitchen gadget set, which I don't even know if I'm going to unbox on camera or not. Maybe I will, maybe I won't, but I know who needs this many pots and pans and bakeware and everything I got. It is a bit excessive, but I wanted it because I love cooking and I wanted something that would last me a long time and be easy and convenient to clean. So yes, worst case scenario, I regret my purchase and I never use them or they suck. Best case scenario, they're amazing. I use them all of the time and love them. So hopefully it is the second of the two. As you can probably see, this is the squareware set. So this is everything that is in here. I think this big one right here might be one of my favorites. I just have never had I'm gonna call it like a turkey roaster pan, and I just love this because I've never had one before. Thank you so much for joining me for day 5 of my 30-day spring cleaning challenge. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you tomorrow.